Are you tired of paying for expensive PDF software just to edit or manage your files? What if I told you that you can get SwiftDoo PDF Pro for free? In this video, I'll show you how to access the Pro features and easily edit, merge, convert, compress, and organize your PDFs, all from one powerful tool. So, if you work with PDF files regularly, make sure to watch until the end.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices, with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
By the help of SwiftDoo PDF, you can edit, merge, or convert, compress, sign, or protect PDF file across device. Here you can see this is the detail about this software, and you will get completely free without credit card or without anything. So first you need to sign up your account. Simply paste here your Gmail address, Outlook, Hotmail, or any email address. If you are new to my YouTube channel, then just visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find some awesome useful content. Here you can see how to get Gemini ChatGPT, how to get Gemini for 12 months, and how to create AI videos, how to get Claude or 𝐂𝐨𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐿 2.0. So visit my YouTube channel. Simply paste here your email address, then click on this next. Now we need to verify our email address. Simply go to email, then copy the OTP, paste here. Now we need to set a password, or you can also choose later. Now we are in a user center. This is the URL swiftdo.com/user center. Now we need activation key. I will give activation key in this video description and in a comment box also. And for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. So simply paste the redemption code, then click on this activate button. And here you can see activated successfully, and expiry date 2027 February 28. So I can simply go to my account, simply download your SwiftDoo PDF for Windows. Then you can do anything in your PDF. You can also download from here, and here you can see these are the features for this software. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Vivas Malik YouTube channel for simple, honest, and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide, and make sure visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.